Test mic, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we have here right now this Santa Cruz MegaTower. This is a large frame, and what? This is a large frame. Excuse me, sir. We're doing a bike check here. So we have here right now this Santa Cruz MegaTower. This is a large frame, and this is on a storm gray color, 2021 model. And what we have right here is the Fox 38 fork on glossy black. And if I'm not mistaken, this is on 170 millimeters of travel. And this is 38, and it has grip 2 dampers on it, of course, as a stock. And we have here the rear shocks will be the stock for this particular model, which is running on Float X2. Alright, so we'll proceed over to the cockpit. I have here a race face Atlas. It's aluminum handlebars with Hope stems on 35 millimeters. Clamping diameter is also the same for 35 millimeters. We have ODI grips. And as for our braking power, we have XT, and the calipers are on 4 pots. And I'm using just the resin pads, just enough for the local trails in here. And we have here as well, the shifter is on XTR, and my rear derailleur is XT. Cassette is, if I'm not mistaken, is Ram GX with KMC chains. And I'm running 34 ovals for the chain ring, and my cranks are on SLX 175. And the platforms, oh no, it's a clipless mallet Crank Brothers, which is due for changing because it's already eating up the sole of my shoes. Alright, so I think that's about it. Oh, sorry, it's running on Fox transfer. It's okay. And we have a fabric saddle also as well. Alright, so I think I've covered everything. If there's anything else that you want to ask about it, just comment down below. Alright, okay, have a good day and shred it on. Just comment down below and you can ask MKAMB, sorry. And you can ask, pakidelete na lang. Okay, you can ask Moth for it. What? Excuse me, sir, we're doing a bike check here. Alright, so we'll proceed over.